trigonometry number is 01DKM20F2041. Okay, today I will talk about introduction of trigonometry. Trigonometry, as the name might suggest, is about right angle triangles where one of the internal angles is 90 degrees. Trigonometry is a system that helps us to work out missing or unknown side length or angles in a triangles. For introduction of trigonometry in mechanical, first, engineers routinely use trigonometric concept to calculate angles. Second, civil and mechanical engineers use trigonometry to calculate torque and force on objects such as bridge or building girders. And the last one is engineers use trigonometry to decompose the force into horizontal and vertical components that can be analyzed.
My name is Ashok bin Matarit. My registration number is 01DKM20F2063. I will present about real-life application of trigonometry. Trigonometry can be used to measure the height of a building or mountain. If we know the distance from where we observe the building and the angle of elevation, we can easily find the height of the building. Similarly, if we have the value of one side and the angle of depression from the top of the building, we can find another side in the triangle. All we need to know is one side angle of the triangle. In construction, we also apply the trigonometry. We use trigonometry to calculate the following: measure fields, loads, and areas, making walls parallel and perpendicular, installing ceramic tiles, roof, inclination, the height of the building, the width, and the many other such things where it becomes necessary to use trigonometry. Other use of trigonometry is it will be used in oceanography in calculating the height of tide in the ocean. The sine, cosine function are fundamental to the theory of periodic functions, those that describe the sound and light waves. Calculus is made of trigonometry and algebra. Trigonometry can be used
Hi, I'm Muhammad Amar Azman Marusli. I would like to tell you all about detail of the model. Okay, idea we have discussed carefully to produce pyramid model in a presentation about trigonometry. In the process of producing this model, the idea to produce this model was inspired from the construction of pyramid and had triangle shape on each of its surface. By using this idea, our group will be able to explain about the use of the trigonometry in our model easily and accurately. Okay, the material we use mounting board, use box, and use paper. Okay. Making process to build the model, we cut the mounting board into two type of shape. Okay, which is a triangular shape and a square shape. Then we put all the piece together into pyramid shape. For the finishing step, we color the model with the appropriate color to be real pyramid. We measure the angle and distance available to complete the calculation of trigonometry using the formula sin, cos, and tangent. Sekian.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Fanan Ashraf bin Safuddin. My registration number is 01DKM20F2064. Today I want to present the solution of trigonometry. This is a pyramid. A to B is 145 meter and B to C is 230 meter. First step, we should find the hypotenuse. AC equal square root AB square plus BC square equal square root 145 square plus 230 square equal 271.89 meter. So we should use trigonometry. We have sine, cos and tangent. For sine, we should have opposite over hypotenuse. For cos, adjacent over hypotenuse, and then last opposite over adjacent. So this is the solution. Sine equal opposite over hypotenuse. So for opposite is 145 and hypotenuse is 271.89. So we have the answer. The answer is 0.533. For cos, we use adjacent over hypotenuse. For adjacent 230 and for hypotenuse 271.89. And then we get the answer is 0.846. For tan, we use opposite over adjacent. For opposite is 145 and adjacent is 230. And then we get the answer 0.630. And then thank you. As the conclusion, we realized that trigonometry can be used in many areas such as astronomy and architecture. Then they can aid in calculating many things. They can also be used in cars, desks and benches. Trigonometry is very useful in determining the unknown side of aspect triangle. In this field work activity, the concept of the right triangle in trigonometry is very useful. Is very well useful. Also in the field work activity, we are able to apply the knowledge learned in the analysis of right triangle in determining the height of a remote point. Trigonometry doesn't end in passing the trigonometry subject, and we will use it always in our engineering career. Thank you.